was called to come and diagnose this vehicle, and you can see I have scanned the vehicle. This is CR-V 2018. I was called to program it, and you can see I'm having problem with the ABS actuator open circuit on the left side. And so what I'll do now is I'll erase all the fault code and see if it will come up again. If it comes up again, then that means I have to start tracing my circuit and see what's causing the issue. So after several hours of diagnosing, now you can see it comes to neutral, and you can see the brake light is off at this corner. But the moment I touch this circuit a bit, it tries to come on. And I touch this circuit a bit, so now you can see the brake light is flashing. And when I don't know, when I activate the brake, it wouldn't go off, and it is a pin fitment issue. So what I'll do now is I'll scope, and now I'll turn off the vehicle and turn it back on, and the brake light should go off. So I'll fix everything, but before I fix everything, I'll scope and get the actual ignition, actual wave, the actual signal on the wire, so that in case, so you can see I've not activated the brake yet, but you can see it is blinking over there, and it is due to pin fitment issue. So when you try playing with it, then it goes off. So you can see as I'm playing with it, it goes off and come back. So it's a pin fitment issue. So now you can see it has gone off. And I'm holding still on it, and it has not come back yet. The moment I try to turn it a bit, then you can see it is flashing. So it's a pin fitment issue at the connector. So what I'll do now is I'll take the scope to get the waveform, because I know it communicates on I think on a line bars. So I'll check them and get back to you. I'll check them. These are the fault code. This wasn't the machine I used in the morning to do the diagnosing. So this is the main fault code, because the circuit went off. That's why this one has also come. But now if I clear them, it will go off. So let me turn off this and turn it back on, and everything is off. So now everything is working. So what I'll do now is I'll work on the connector, but before that I'll check the signal on it, as I said. So now you can see I'm about to check it, and this one is a ground, and it doesn't have any signal on it. So we'll test wire by wire to check. So you don't have any signal on it, and you're having 5-volt reference on it, and the black one, the one next to it, is only the one next to it is ground. The one next to it is ground, and the white one has a signal on it. So you can see the white one, and I'm suspecting the red one is the one which communicates with the ECM to tell the ECM that the brake is on. So let me place it in, and you can see. So now I'm connected to the red one, and from the red one, the green one beside the red one also is a signal wire, and the yellow one beside the green one is also a signal wire. So now you can see I'm having signals on all the wires, and now the brake light is gone. So it was a pin fitment issue. So the moment you try to activate the brake and deactivate it, then it goes off, like the way I'm turning the cable now to test. And I think when you come down also, the light blue wire Sorry, the light blue wire is also 5 volt reference. Then the black beside it is a ground wire. Then the white also beside it is also ground. So I don't know if that's what sends signal to the ECU, and it's also ground. I don't have a wiring diagram for CR-V 2018. So I was doing my test and I found out that it was a issue with my connector. So now I've pushed the connectors in a bit. So what I'll do now is I'll fix everything back and try it again. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more video. So after fixing the car, I'll go to scan and scan the whole vehicle. We'll use the other fault code from the Pizio.
Please come upon me.
So now everything is fixed. I'm scanning the vehicle one more time. Then I read everything, then call it a fix. So done scanning. I'll do a quick erase. And the brake light is off. Now I'll call it a fix. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. But the airbag is recorded cash. So when I turn it off and turn it on, it will come up again. Yeah, few. So bonus with footage. So you can see I'm having traction of even when I press my traction on off, it doesn't go. So that's my traction off, it is on. And when I press the button, it does not go. So what I'll do now is I'm in the ABS system, so I'll go to adjustment, all sensor calibration, and yes, turn off the ignition. You can see the lights are on, so I turn it off and I wait for it to tell me to turn it on, and I turn it back on. Successful. So you can now see that all the lights are gone. You can now see that all the lights are gone. So let me start the vehicle. Sorry. And it's left with only the airbag light. The handbrake is activated, so you can deactivate it. Thank you for watching. I'm done.